Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their DUKANE 220C document camera, the J-ZMQER new AC power cord. It's a common scenario where original cables get misplaced or damaged, leaving users searching for a dependable replacement. This particular power cord steps in as a robust solution, specifically One of the most compelling aspects of this J-ZMQER power cord is its unwavering commitment to safety. In an age where electronic devices are central to daily operations, ensuring their power supply is secure is paramount. This cord comes with international quality certifications, adhering to the highest industry standards. It incorporates multiple safety mechanisms designed to protect against common electrical hazards. Users can rest assured knowing that their valuable DUKANE is safeguarded from short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive protection offers significant peace of mind, a feature that truly elevates it above generic alternatives. Furthermore, the J-ZMQER power cord boasts a versatile input voltage range of 100 V 240 V at 5060 Hz. This broad compatibility means it's suitable for use in various regions, making it a practical choice for professionals who might travel or operate in different electrical environments. The brand, J-ZMQER, emphasizes delivering convenience and ensuring high-speed charging, which, for a power cord, translates to efficient and consistent power delivery to the document camera, allowing for uninterrupted presentations and operations. It's not just about powering the device, it's about doing so reliably and effectively. A helpful reminder from the manufacturer, which is always good practice, is to double-check device compatibility before making a purchase. While this cord is tailor-made for the DUKANE 220C, confirming it's the right fit for one's specific model ensures a seamless experience. Ultimately, for anyone needing a reliable, safe, and efficient power solution for their DUKANE 220C document camera, the J-ZMQER AC power cord presents itself as an exceptional choice. It's a product designed to provide not just power, but also confidence and longevity for essential equipment, ensuring an ideal daily life for its users.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.